Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok algorithm. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok algorithm, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page of apps you will search about the window of TikTok. Then in this page of app info you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. And if it's not working you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.